smell your feet and give you something good to eat. My costume is 100% silk, you know. I made it myself. Can you guess what I am? Trick or treat, smell my feet, trick or treat.
Now you run along, little man.
Look what I can do. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? I got you, it's me, Timmy. Come on, give me some more candy. Come on, give me some. Are you trying to keep yourself a Dutch oven, Granny? Because it sure smells like it. Why are we hanging out in the closet, Granny? Mommy always tells me to come out of the closet. There's poo in your drawers. Do you have mice? Oh, no, come on, give me some candy. Come on, I'm not gonna go away.
Something smell of that surface.
Come on, give me some candy. Come on, give me some candy.
Well, then that's...
Holy crap, my head hurts. Plus, if you ask, my bad too, Granny.